Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in, especially to those who have been watching my build series for this Kyosho HOR version. This is actually my most challenging build so far, since I am not able to buy the entire kit. I don't have access to it. So I ended up buying parts bag, researching and finding the right screws, finding the right uh, shafts, everything that I need, washers, all of that. So down to bolts and nuts, I had to research, buy them individually. I'm just glad that Kyosho is able to sold parts bags separately, and unlike with other kits, I don't think other kits have like all their parts, or is selling their kits in parts bag individually. So I'm lucky with Kyosho HOR, even though it is very difficult for me to get the entire kit. At least I am able to buy the parts individually or per parts bag. But again, it's more challenging. I had to do a lot of research, watch a lot of videos, photos for reference, and all. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in, for supporting me, guys. And all right, so basically, next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna build the gearbox. Okay, now I haven't ordered the metal gearbox as of yet. That will be an upgrade later. Okay, so I'll be using the plastic gearbox that came with the parts bag, um, these two. Okay, and then luckily I was able to buy the gearbox bag, which is this one, gear and sprocket set. All right, and it has the gears that I needed. It's very similar to my MK1 though, but this one is metal. That's the main difference. For the MK1, this is plastic. All right, so that's what we need. Two gearboxes, the shaft that also came in with this kit, and ball bearings, 4 ball bearings. So I was able to upgrade my MK1 from bushings to ball bearings, and I have a lot of spares. So I'll be using this on my HOR MK2 version, and of course the chain. All right, and I'll be using this, my favorite, Tamiya grease. Okay, we put the bearings on here. Right, that is 1, and that is 2. That in. Okay, and then shaft goes on here, and then this here, right? And then now this one, we need to put the chain like this, and we put it on here, and then we place the bearings on top. All right, there you go. So I'm gonna follow the instructions. Hold up. So I'm gonna put a grease on here. Sorry about that. also need a little bit. For the chain. And we put it back, right? And then we put this here. Oh, before that, we also need to put grease on here. There you go. And then, of course, grease in between these two. Okay. And we put this here, like so. Okay. And then we put the cover next. And it should be like this. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, it's spinning freely. So that means we did the right thing. That's it. We're done with the gearbox. Next step, we'll be mounting the motor to the gearbox, and we need the, of course, motor gearbox mounting plate and 2 screws and their spring washers. I think this is 2.6. First step, we put this metal plate, so hard to get, okay, on here, and you need to make sure that this smaller hole is on the left side and then bigger is on the right side. Then we insert it there like so. All right, and then next we're gonna be putting the screw and then the motor. Insert the motor. And now we do our gear adjustment. And I leave a little room of play. That's how I do it. See? Alright, and that is it. Next step, we will be mounting the gearbox to the chassis. Right, so this hole right here should go in here, and then hole at the back, which is pretty small, but they use the same screw. Should be right here. chain on here. There we go. And then place it like that. Okay, and then we screw this one on here first. Okay, not too tight. And the other one should be here. Okay, and there you go. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like button and watch out for the next video, for the next step that we're gonna do to complete this Kyosho HOR build series. All right.